Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Whitney, and be sure to click that subscribe button just so you are here for future videos. So today I am going to be transforming all of this into this. But first, we need to take these out. And while I'm doing this get ready with me video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be answering some questions that you guys have asked me on Instagram. And if you're not following me on Instagram, be sure to, it'll be right here. I'm going to take these braids out after my makeup, but I don't want to look totally insane for you guys. So I think you just shimmy it, get it to the natural look. And with my hair, so I have so much, I look crazy at first. So this is just going to be my everyday makeup. I don't do anything too crazy at all. It's very natural and whatnot. I don't go crazy anymore. I used to do like wings and colors and blah blah blah, but now it's very neutral. And yeah, so I'll be showing you guys on what I do. But by the way, I already moisturized my face and I put Vaseline on my lips. The thing I use is this Pixie Skin Treats. And it's am I out of breath? It's a Rose Glow Mist. So it looks like this. You can get it at Target, and I just use this before I put foundation on and all that. Drops, which is by Milani. It's the Prep Soothe Camellia. It's face oil. It just looks like this. So I just put it on my face like this and then just rub it in. And I feel like my makeup goes on so much smoother with this. Question is, favorite place you get your clothes from? I use Milani Conceal and Perfect, and I use 2 shades because right now I feel like I'm in between for the summer. I have beige and medium beige. So my favorite places, my favorite store to shop for clothes is definitely Romwe. It's an online store, if you didn't know. It is very affordable. I was very skeptical of it because it's cheap. Like, you can get some outfits for like 12 bucks, like a full outfit. And bikinis and stuff, and you know how that is at other stores, very expensive. Plus I don't like shopping at like places like the mall anymore. So crowded, and I don't know, I feel like I never find anything. But anyway, Romwe. I was skeptical. I bought I bought outfits once just to like try it out, see how I like it. Don't forget to blend down to your neck. And I just loved it. I have ordered from them 5 different times. I'm actually waiting on an order to come right now. Maybe after that I can do a Romwe huge try on haul to show you guys like everything there. They have clothes, jeans, swimsuits, makeup. I never bought any of their makeup. jewelry, just like home decor. So far their clothes have been so great. Besides Romwe, you all know, Target. I'm gonna use concealer, Tarte, the Shape Tape, and it's in the shade Sand. Medium tan sand. So Target and Romwe are probably the two stores that I love. Next question, Starbucks order. I love Starbucks. I went to Target today and they have a Starbucks. The line was really long and I wanted to come back and quick film this because getting ready for the races and leave at like 4:30, so I wanted to quick come home and film this. And the line was super long. So I figured, hey, there's a Starbucks drive-through just right down the street. Drive to Starbucks. It's closed! No Starbucks today, but when I do go to Starbucks, I don't like coffee. I wish I did, because it obviously helps you stay awake, and I don't know why, but I've been super tired lately. And no, not pregnant. So I get, so simple, Trenta, pink drink, light on ice, and no berries. I feel like if it has berries, it tastes weird. I don't know, it tastes different. It tastes like moldy strawberries. So I just, no berries and light on ice, because if you get the normal size or just let them do their own ice, most of the drink is just ice. No, I am not paying a $5 for ice. Unless it's water, then thank you. What makeup product can't you live without? This is really, I think my favorite product would definitely have to be mascara. Hang on, I'm trying to figure out what my next process is the brows. Let me quick do the brows and I'll come back to that. Favorite makeup product that I can't, what was it? That I can't live without is the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer, and then I'm gonna use the Too Faced White Peach palette for my eyes. Makeup product that I cannot live without is definitely going to have to be mascara. I feel like that just puts a whole look together. Whether just puts you together. You can have no makeup, no foundation, anything, and boom, eyelashes turn you into like a bad bitch. Or like you'll see, it's gonna just, it just changes a whole look. It's just like boom boom, here I am, what's good. Secondly would have to be like a chapstick, because I don't like dried lips. I'm gonna use Peach Sorbet and Peach Ice and just put it on my entire lid. And like a form of chapstick, like my Vaseline, I love it. Leaves my lips so moisturized. And if I had to pick like a favorite brand that I love, is definitely Too Faced. And just put it on the crease, and then that's it for eyeshadow. If I could visit any place, where would it be? So I think Greece is beautiful. I would definitely go there. If money wasn't like an option, or if someone's paying, if I like become rich and hit the lottery, I would definitely go to Greece. I think it's beautiful, and I always see videos and stuff, and it just looks beautiful. It's just beautiful. But honestly, any place that has a beach, I'm there. So that's it for eyes. I'm gonna do bronzer, look a little tan. So I use the Tarte, the Park Avenue Princess. I think I got this in like a boxy charm. It's almost empty, it's almost gone, look. I need to get a new one. If I just do it on my... So definitely Greece or somewhere with a beach. Which I would love to just move down to the beach. Well, I'm gonna look in the mirror. I'm like, the beach. I'll go. Grace, I'll go. I'm gonna do mascara now. Watch this look pop because of the mascara. I'm using the Damn Girl mascara. And then the last question is my favorite YouTubers. So I'm gonna start with who got me into the YouTube world was Megan Lee, or she was originally Ciao Bella XO, and she also has a vlog channel which she posts more on. It's La Vida de Meg. My other favorite YouTuber is Carissa Nicole. I watch her videos instantly when it's posted. I think she's just hilarious. She's really relatable and she's like super honest and beautiful. She is an inspiration, and I feel like she's very underrated, so go check her out. She has like almost 70,000, and I believe she deserves more, so go check her out. And then obviously Cole and Sav. I have been getting so into them, and so I've been getting into, what's their names? Josh and Katie. I've been binge watching them, those two channels. Who else? Oh, Nikki and Gabby, no doubt. Their vlog channel, their combined channel. They actually live near me, but I have yet to meet them. Oh boy. Maybe one day. I think I live like 40 minutes from them. Who else do I like? I'm trying to think who else I watch. When I see a new video is that Brad guy, that hairstylist who reacts to videos. I don't know why, but it's just fun to watch those. If you want, I can just post all their channels below, which I feel like most of you guys will know who they are. But just in case, they're gonna be down below because they need that. They're really well talented and got it going. The YouTubers got it going on. They are not one, and I waited for so long. So that was all the questions. But look at these eyes. I don't know. So you guys want more Q&As? Just leave a question below and I can get to it in another video. And let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. I don't think I'm going to be doing that much beauty videos because like my makeup has gotten super normal or like natural or like not crazy. I don't do much. I don't really wear makeup. The only time I wear makeup is like the weekends. So yeah, I do have 2 videos in mind, but I'm not gonna say it yet, so you're just gonna have to stay subscribed and see it. But we need to add one more product, and it's highlight, and I'm going to be using, I think I'm gonna use this one, the Kylie Cosmetics, and this one is the French Vanilla. It's really dirty. It has mascara, so don't look. And I'm just gonna pop it right there, even though it's disgusting outside, and I'll probably just naturally glow because it's nasty outside. I was gonna film this outside, but it would have just melted away. And a little bit right on the nose. And then I don't really wear lip stuff except for the Vaseline. But if I do, I'll use like a NYX Butter Gloss, or that's all I got. And this other one. I have these 2, and they are Tiramisu and Angel Food Cake. So I might just do Tiramisu. Is that how you say it? And yeah. Just a little shimmy shimmy. So this is the look that is basically my everyday look. To all the people who send them in, thank you so much. And if you want to know, or if you have any future questions for another video, which I can do maybe monthly, maybe every 2 months or whatever, just leave them below. And if you have any video requests, leave them below also. And remember to thumbs up the video and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!